Good evening, everybody. I am Aparna Bhattacharya from NRAJ.
Good evening, everyone. I am Shampa Paul. Today our topic is.
Hello everyone.
Good evening, everybody. I am Shraddha Das.
Today I am Urpita Das.
Good evening, everyone. I am Payal.
Hello everyone. Hello ma'am. I'm Archana also.
And my little garden.
Hello friends, I am Ajrika Sharma.
Good morning everyone.
My name is Camelia and today I am going to talk about trees.
Hello, everybody. I am Urpita Das. Today I save trees.
Good morning everyone. With all my
Trees are our best friend. Trees give
Mother Earth has given.
Hello everyone. I am Atra. It's me Shudika. Today's the topic is about your trees.
dear friends and my best friend.
Hello everyone, my name is Devesh. Today I am going to
Topic is
Good evening everyone. My name is Shunani Kahar.
elaborate one of the plant from our house.
Hello everyone, I am Aparna Bhattacharya.
Everyone, my name is Timishi Chatterjee. Today I am going to discuss today's my topic is the importance of trees. Trees are the
Good evening, ma'am, and good evening, everybody. Today I am going to tell you.
Hello everyone, myself Vaishya Datta and today I am going to speak on the topic.
This is Ishita Sun and I am the language department teacher from Dishari institution. So as we all know that from the past couple of few months, the whole system has been locked down due to this coronavirus crisis. But in this crucial time also, Dishari didn't stop themselves. And our beloved students, they are also being so cooperative with us. They are also doing their classes very efficiently. Thank you so much guys. So here in this video, you will find some amazing students have given their July monthly exam through the online learning process. The topic was Save Trees to Save the Planet. So thank you so much guys for attending the classes. Now, the people who are not attending their classes properly. So guys, I know that this is a very tough time. Okay, but this tough time will pass on. As we all know that the vaccine are on trial period and the good results or some good news are on the way. So be prepared for a new future, a new bright future. So for that we need more preparation, right? So for that you need to attend the classes very efficiently and sincerely. So people who are attending the classes, we are thankful to them, and who are not attending the classes, so it's my request to all of you guys, start attending the classes and start believing yourself. Be unstoppable, because I know this coronavirus is shaking us up like from everywhere, but we must have prepared for the upcoming future, right? Maybe there will be more difficult challenges, than the coronavirus. So be prepared and start attending the classes. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the videos of some amazing students of mine. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, myself Vaishya Datta and today I am going to speak on the topic that save trees to save our planet Earth. So as we all know that trees are very important for us in many ways. Trees gives us oxygen by which we can breathe. Trees also gives us medicines. For example, the holy basil tree, which is also known as tulsi, is known as the mother medicine of the world. It is used to treat conditions like fever, common cold, diabetes, stress and many more. There are also many more plants that is treated as medicines. And trees also gives us food, and the trees also help prevent soil erosion. But nowadays many people are cutting down trees. It is very much harmful, as cutting down trees may happen global warming and also less oxygen in the atmosphere. So lastly, I want to say that we should stop cutting down trees and we should plant more trees. Thank you.
Everybody, I am Shraddha Das. Today my topic is keep positivity in your mind. You can defer any problem. Positive thinking is a mental attitude that admit into the mind thoughts, works, and image that are conducive to growth, expansions, and success. A positive anticipates happiness, joy.
I'm Urpita Das. Today I would like to say you that how positivity can solve every problem. Like first is that always welcome criticism in life, because critics are there when you are going ahead. When you are going ahead, somebody will there who will pull your leg. When somebody is pulling your leg, at that time you will think that yes, I'm going ahead, that's why he or she is pulling my leg, he or she is criticizing me. That is the point. Then the second point is that don't think that what other will think. Nobody in this world will think about you, because nobody has time to think about himself or herself. And then third point is that first you have to target your aim, means you have to you have to run after the aim of your life. Don't run after the people who are telling you something or who are criticizing you. Like run after the aim, and automatically when you achieve your aim, when you achieve success in your life, automatically the mouth will shut. The people who are telling about you something will stop. So like this way, these are some points which can able to help you to solve your problem in your life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Camelia, and today I'm going to talk about trees, which is very essential for this planet. So now I'm going to show you 2 trees which I have planted before 1.5 years ago. So this one is Holly Basil or Tulsi. Basically, this is a holy tree. In Hindu religion, we worship Tulsi as goddess Tulsi or goddess Vrinda. So goddess Vrinda is regarded as the avatar of Mata Lakshmi. In another hand, Tulsi leaves works as medicine. It helps to prevent high blood pressure, diabetes, and so on. And another one is Beli tree. Its another term is Arabian jasmine or Jasminum sambac. So Arabian jasmine tree is a small shrub. It gives white colored flowers. Its flower smell is wonderful, and it's basically used for making fragrance. And Jasminum sambac tree's flowers is national flower of Philippines. So nowadays we don't have place to plant it, but in my childhood I planted so many trees in my village house. I planted some fruit trees also, like lemons, watermelons, pomegranate, etc. Nowadays, we don't have place to plant it, but for a man, one tree is necessary to survive. So we can plant cactus tree, because we know that cactus tree provide huge amount of oxygen than the other trees. It is quite difficult to make this world as clean as before, but we can try to make this planet clean. We must have 2 to 3 trees around our house. So we have to plant trees, we have to save trees. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Aparna Bhattacharya from NBatch. Today I am here to tell you something about how much trees are needed for the planet. Well, trees are very needed and precious asset for the Mother Earth. Trees are our life because they provide us the fresh and oxygenated air and consume carbon dioxide, which is very harmful for us. Trees purify and beautify our environment, provide protection, shelter, shadow, and food. Trees not only maintain the ecological balance but also supply medicines to prevent us from various diseases. Apart from these many useful resources, trees keep a check on soil erosion. Furthermore, trees negate the detrimental effect of greenhouse effect. When it gets too hot, the trees help in bringing rainfall. They fight severe climate changes. The only way we can defend global warming and environmental pollution is by planting and saving more and more trees. It is our responsibility to go green in order to protect the earth, air and nature and save humanity from total extinction. So we can see how much trees needed for evolution and smooth running of all the life forms in the planet. Here I am right now in front of my house, where we can see there are little flower trees. These trees provide me in the morning a little amount of flowers, which is used for the pujas of our deities. And not only that, when it is scorching sun, they gives us shadow and refreshing air in the evening. So we can see how much trees are needed. Thank you.
It's me, Shudipa. Today's the topic is about your trees. Trees are friendly to us. Trees give us oxygen, carbon dioxide, fruits, flowers, and many things. The furniture we use today is made from the wood of the trees. We plant trees because we cannot live without the trees. We can't live without the trees.
সরি স্টুডেন্ট, সরি এই কারণে বললাম, তোমাদের সবার ভিডিও আমি এই ভিডিওতে দিতে পারলাম না, কারণ তোমরা খুব চেষ্টা করেছো, অনেক কষ্ট করেছো এবং এই পরীক্ষাটা তোমরা সত্যিই খুব ভালো ফলাফল করেছো। তো তোমাদেরকে আমরা আমাদের দিশারির তরফ থেকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ জানাই। তোমরা আমাদের সাথে আছো, তোমরা এই লকডাউন পিরিয়ডে নিজেদের পারফরমেন্সকে একদম আপ টু ডেট করেছো এবং তোমাদের লেভেল দেখে বোঝাই যায় যে তোমরা স্পোকেন ইংলিশ নিয়ে কতটা যত্নশীল। তো স্টুডেন্ট, তোমাদেরকে আমি এটাই জানাই যে তোমরা যেভাবে কষ্ট করে নিজেদের পড়াশোনাটাকে চালিয়ে যাচ্ছ, নিজেদের পড়াশোনাটাকে টিচারদের সাথে সময় দিয়ে তোমরা অনলাইনে বাড়িতে বসে করছো। আমরা লকডাউন পিরিয়ডের থেকে আনলকডাউনে আছি, তো আমরা সেই মুহূর্তে কিছুদিন হয়তো আমরা ইনস্টিটিউট খুলেও ছিলাম, তো আবার আগস্ট মাস থেকে খুলবো। তো সেই মুহূর্তে আমরা যতক্ষণ এই লকডাউনে আছি, আজকের আমরা কম্পিউটার নিয়ে কিছু দেখালাম না, যে ভিডিওতে শুধুমাত্র স্পোকেন ইংলিশ নিয়ে দেখানো হলো। এখানে আমাদের স্পোকেন ইংলিশের ছোট ছোট বাচ্চা থেকে শুরু করে বড়রা সবাই তাদের পারফরমেন্স দেখিয়েছে, কিছু না কিছু সাবজেক্টের ওপরে তারা ফ্লুয়েন্টলি বলেছে এবং সেটাও কোনো কিছু না দেখে, কোনো কিছু না পড়ে। এটা সত্যি একটা দৃষ্টান্ত। তো দিশারির সমস্ত স্টুডেন্টদেরকে এবং দিশারির সমস্ত শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকাকে আমি রঞ্জিত দত্ত স্যালুট জানাই। তো স্টুডেন্টরা, তোমরা সাকসেসের লাইনে আছো, সাকসেসটা তোমাকে ছুটে হবে। এই সাকসেস ছুতে হবে, সেটাও এই কোর্স শেষ করার আগেই। ওর হ্যাঁ, আরেকটা কথা বলা হলো না, সেটা হলো দিশারির ক্লাসরুম ট্রেনিং, পাশাপাশি অনলাইন ট্রেনিং এবং হোম অ্যান্ড অফিস ট্রেনিং, এই তিনটে পর্যায়ে দিশারি এবারে ক্লাস করাবে। সুতরাং যারা আমাদের স্টুডেন্ট অনেক দূর থেকে আসেন এবং অনেক দূর থেকে এসে এখানে অ্যাডমিশন নিয়ে ক্লাসরুম ট্রেনিং করতে অসুবিধা হবে, তাদের জন্য আমরা এই অনলাইন ট্রেনিংয়ের ব্যবস্থা করব এবং এই অনলাইন ট্রেনিংটা আমাদের ওয়েবসাইটে আসছে খুব শীঘ্রই। এবং আমাদের ওয়েবসাইট www.dishariindia.com, সেখানে গিয়েই আমরা অনলাইন ট্রেনিং অপশানটা পাবো। সেই অনলাইন ট্রেনিং থেকেও আমরা যারা বাইরে থেকে আসছে বা দূর থেকে আসছে, তাদের সুবিধার জন্যই এই অনলাইন ট্রেনিংটা আমরা চালু করতে চলেছি খুব শীঘ্রই। এবং সেখানে বাড়িতে বসেই যে কোনো মানুষ, যে কোনো স্টুডেন্ট, সে অনলাইনে সব ট্রেনিং নিতে পারবে। সেটা আমরা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি আপনাদের সবার সামনে উপস্থিত করতে চলেছি। ধন্যবাদ।